Hello, my junk spears, and tonight we're cooking a dish called a chicken Methi Hing. This is my own dish and includes Asafoetida, also known as Hing, and two types of Methi. Methi is also known as Fenugreek. So let's look at the ingredients. Try to use chicken thighs or legs. Heat the pan on a medium heat and add the oil. And just before the oil begins to smoke, add the whole spices. Stir those for 1 or 2 minutes until they start to pop. Now add the chopped or diced onions, about 500 grams. Cook those on a medium heat until they become translucent. Don't let them stick. Then add the garlic and ginger paste. Cook these for 30 seconds max. Then add the chilies, tomato, coriander leaves, sugar and salt. Reduce the heat and cook these for a few minutes. Next, we're going to add the dry ground spices. Continue to stir these spices to stop them sticking. And after a minute or so, add some base gravy, about a third of the 300 ml. Next, add the tomato puree or passata. Keep stirring for 2 minutes. Dump's too dry, just add a splash of water. Now add the second part of the base gravy, about another 100 ml. You can turn the heat up now to caramelize the onions in the base. If it becomes too dry, turn the heat down lower and add some curd or Greek yogurt. About another 100 ml. Stir that in. Chicken thighs are the best for a minute or so. And there we are finished. Thanks for watching and enjoy. And if needed, you can add the last bit of base gravy. Cook for a minute or so.